Hey guys, what is up? It's a little bit deadly, and today I am bringing you the second episode in our newest series, the TNT Explosion series. And Zach's going to be telling you what we're going to build today. So what are we going to be building today, Zach?
I'm going to build a big cube, put a bunch of mobs in there, and then I'm going to blow it up.
One pig. You always do, Piggy. Are you scared, Mr. Piggy?
Stop running to make us always be waiting. You are my cinema. I could watch you forever. sensation.
This was the outcome of our huge explosion. So thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and peace.